Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can get a eased filter on TikTok. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the TikTok application first. And once you do that, you go to the search icon on the top right corner. Tap that, and there on the search icon you need to type in eased filter and then tap on search. This will show you the ease related filter on your screen. Now there you tap upon the filter on the top and then tap on use this effect. Tap that. Now once you do that, you will be able to see the effect. You can see a picture and you can see a eased filter on top. So this is the way how you can use this ease filter on TikTok. You need to make sure that you keep your face straight to the phone so that the camera can capture it pretty well. Now you just record your screen and you will be able to upload it to your TikTok. Tap on tick mark. Now you tap on next and then you tap on post. So this is a way how you can get ease filter on TikTok. You just need to search for it. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.